Welcome. In this episode, we will be building part 1-39A, water tank in a frame for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 1-39A, water tank in a frame. Let's open up new template, MMGS. And we'll save that. Okay, this is not the piece that you could technically make up in several pieces, but I'll probably make it one. It's going to be a L-type angle piece, which is 12 by 12 and 3mm thick. So I'm thinking what we might do is build, might build like 4 angles, run, then do the other 4 angles. So let's get into it. So let's do right. There we want, start there, do that one. We're just going to do one first, then we'll mirror the rest. That's going to be 12 by 12. Let's zoom in a bit. This is going to be 3 thick, and that's going to be 3 thick. Okay, that's cool. Now we want to mirror entities. Yes. The smart dimension mirror. We want to hold on. Actually, no, I'm not going to mirror, because that's might be a little bit hard, because you need ND on that. I need the, so I'm going to just do this again. You could mirror. I'm just going to go one. Let's do the same. Oh, that's terrible. Join those two together, beautiful. And again, this one. And this one. Again, there's so many ways you do this. You really want to do it, you know, you can do the pieces individual, then join them together. That works fine. I'm just going to do this as one piece. So now we want that one, and that dot. Those 2 points are going to be horizontal. These 2 points here are going to be vertical. These 2 are going to be vertical, and these 2 are going to be horizontal. Okay, let's just zoom in a bit, make it easier. There we go. Tighten this up a little bit, just makes it a bit easier. Move that 3 out there, beautiful. Okay, just to make it less measurements. There we go. So that's locked that one in now. That's gonna lock that one in, beautiful. Let's do this one. Won't lock it in, but I just need to measure 1, and that'll be done. I just need to measure 1 spot, so, and done. There we go. Okay, so actually, hold on. We do that one, there we go, and this one, and this one, there we go. Let's measure on the opposite side, this one, and see what areas we need to adjust in. 3, that is 12, and that is 12. Okay, so what? Okay, we still need measurements across. That's fine. That's fine. So maybe that's got to lock in. Oh, there was what we missed. And that one there, beautiful. Let's lock it in. Yes, I still move that way. That's fine. Lock those 2 in. That's going to be vertical. Always say the wrong one. Okay. Now, from this point to this point, it's going to be 300. From this corner point, it's going to be 250. So we do that. That should lock most of it in. So what's that? 300. Oh. Try again. Yeah, I had 1 point highlight still, so that's why I went like that. 250. Yeah, smart dimension. Yeah, everything should be. Oop, wrong way. So that's all black, so that's locked in. That's all black, that's locked in. That's all black, that's locked in. Excellent. Okay. Don't worry about the mess of those lines. You don't see them later. So now we want feature, extrude, mid-plane, and that's going to be a total of 585. 585. And done. There you go. That's our first 4 bars. Now we need to build one this end. We need to build one this end. So I'm just thinking. So yeah, so if we build 4, 2 there, it's exactly the same what we've done, but going that way, and that should be everything done then. So let me, what am I, normal 2, that's what I'm after. So again, let's do the L shape. I'm going to do it front plane. Yeah, front plane. Going to be there. Let's just do the L shapes again. Not connecting anything, not really lined up with anything. Let's do that one. I'll throw that out in a minute. Oh, didn't join up. I hate when it does that. Merge points. There we go. Beautiful. What are they? Makes them horizontal. Make that one horizontal. There we go. It's bugging me, that one. Man, everything went wrong with that one. Merge point, horizontal, and vertical. There we go. Okay, so this point and this point will be vertical. This point and this point will be horizontal. Do these 2 horizontal, no particular order. And that one will be vertical. There we go. Okay, let me just zoom in on that. We want, that's going to be 12. That's going to be 12. Oop. Let me just knock that one out. Oop. I like that one. Let me shrink that down a bit. Let's try that again. 12. There we go. Because it moved the wrong spot down and went below that, so. Okay. 12. That's fine. 12. 3. 3. 3. And 3. Okay. Now this point and this point is going to match up there. Now I clicked outside to unhighlight everything, so that way I know I don't have extra things selected. Those 2 there, beautiful. That one and that one there. Now if you click on the one up here, it's going to unhighlight all ones there, so I'm using the shift key to highlight more than one. So select one, press shift, select that one, release, and it's going to be horizontal, horizontal, vertical. I did that one, didn't I? It moves all around. Oop. Oop, I missed one. That's why I was moving that around. That one and that one will go to horizontal. There we go. Oh, try again. There we go. Beautiful. Now that was, what was it? 300. So if we go, well, technically you can measure, or we can go this point and this point, merge. This point, merge. This point to this point, merge. Now, technically, that should be up there. Perfect. Okay, we don't need it. Is it? Oh, yeah, this. I thought I saw 2 dots there. This is why it rendered in. So, okay, so that's good. So now we should be able to. Oh, front face. Okay. I was thinking front face in the middle is front. That's fine. No big deal. Does not change anything. Just change how you do stuff. So extrude. So we will flip that around, and that's going to be, what did I say, 300? 300. And done. Or you could merge up to the next point. There you go. Look at that. There's no joins there, so that joined up perfectly. But it didn't join properly. You see a line there. So now we need build from above. So let me normalize that one. Beautiful. Sketch. Again, I'm going to do the same thing. Now, if I made this, I could just made one, do a correct length, resave it, re-length it, resave, re-length it, then assemble it with mates and that. You can do that way too. That way you got individual pieces. They're easy to change. That way, if you do change something later on, you got to change one piece and changes through. So I'm just doing this way. I just want one piece. Okay, so line. Oh, did not join. Join up, thank you. Let's do the L shape, face all different directions. There we go. Okay. Yeah, line, thank you. So these two, you can do those two. You do the out corner points. It doesn't really matter. That's vertical. Sorry, that's horizontal, so it works out the same. That's going to be there, and that's going to be there, and that one. These weren't pretty much lined up because I was clicking on the when it showed the line, but that one didn't. There you go. Now let's go across. So it's virtually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 connections each way. And that should be enough to do it properly. That's that one, beautiful. That one. That one. And that one. There we go. Okay, smart dimension. 12. 12. 3. Very small one. Zoom right in. 3. There we go. Cool. Okay, now this one here. Let's do this one first. 3. 3. See, it's doing all them correct way. 12. Like it's making them correct. And 12. So that should be all. Yep, so I can move around, but nothing stretches. So that's correct. Now we'll go point there, point there, and that's going to be merged. Beautiful. Now again, you can measure the distance on this as well, but this is just easier this way. Merge that one. We do this one, should lock them all in then. And merge. This one here, it should not, it's all black, so it's locked in that way, so that's cool. Now, I'm going to do something a little bit different this time. I'm going to go to flip. It's going to be extrude. It's going to be up to next. No, sorry. Up to surface, which is going to be that surface. There you go. Just showing another way you can do it too. So, done. There you go. There's our box done. So that's part 1-C9A water tank inner frame done. So if you enjoyed the video, click that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more. Leave comments below. Love hearing guys and girls. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.